Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than XRP itself. First and foremost, happy Sunday wherever you are around the world. We have seen a market, going back into the green. Yesterday, we did see a little bit of red across the board because, of course, Bitcoin dominance did go up. But as we are obviously, approaching the end of the weekend, we are seeing markets going back into the green, which is, of course, really nice to see. As far as XRP is concerned, though, it's up 4.3% over the past 24 hours. So XRP is making some moves right now, believe it or not. Over the last 1 week alone, you're seeing XRP up actually about 10%. So we're going to talk about what's going on. So if you're enjoying these XRP videos, smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button if you have not done so already. So price is 64.3 cents, up 4% over the past 24 hours in USD and about 3.7% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is at about 36.3 billion and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $2.6 billion. We're seeing momentum shift really happening for the price of XRP. And obviously, when I pull out the charts, things will make sense as to what I'm really referring to. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So first and foremost, I want to really talk about the RLUSD. We know over the course of the last, 48 hours, a lot of minting has been happening for RLUSD. And again, this is, bringing in excitement in anticipation of the RLUSD launch. Maybe an announcement is coming up soon that, they are about to launch RLUSD. Of course, the Ripple event is coming up next month, and we're approaching next month literally tomorrow. The day after tomorrow. So of course, as we are getting closer, excitement is building. But again, remember what happens on October 7th. We still have that lawsuit, and I think we're going to really find out a little bit more as to what happens about that as well. But looking at this, you guys can see, Chad posted this. For those that don't see or know why the RLUSD is a big deal, read this statement. So you can see when blockchain cryptocurrency company Ripple announced plans in April to launch a dollar-pegged stablecoin, it said its solution would be to bridge the gap between traditional finance and crypto. This is absolutely amazing to see. But speaking about payment systems, as we know, BRICS is launching their own payment system, and coincidentally, they are also having the BRICS summit just next month. So obviously, that is also having a lot of people excited. Are they going to announce something to do with Ripple? And obviously, people are not sure as of now. But let's kind of go over what this statement says. So BRICS publicly announces payment system offers up new details. So the BRICS bloc has not been shy about its efforts to gain more independence in global finance. Throughout various initiatives, it has sought to lessen international reliance on the U.S. dollar, and that is, the main thing about called de-dollarization, specifically to increase the use of its own native currencies and introduce more multipolarity within international trade. Now, that is set to take a massive step forward. The BRICS bloc has officially announced its development payment system, discussing even more new details around the project. Russian President Putin highlighted the system and how it could benefit the economic alliance. So, speaking at the Russia Energy Week forum in Moscow, Putin spoke about the certain difficulties that bloc has had in trade. The presence of sanctions and Russia denied access of SWIFT has made international banking difficult, yet the country is looking to change that. Moving forward, as a part of cooperation with BRICS countries, we're working to create our own payment and settlement system, he said. Moreover, Putin noted it will allow alliance nations to create conditions for the effective and independent servicing of all foreign trade. Additionally, he noted BRICS partners are extremely interested. So, the partners that are part of the BRICS alliance are also interested in this new payment system. So you could see in the transition of the national currencies over, in the transition to national currencies over the US dollar, the development BRICS Pay project should have a massive impact on the endeavor. Its presence would make international trade settlements in local currencies between BRICS nations easier than ever. absolutely interesting breaking news obviously coming out. And obviously you can see BRICS to unveil de-dollarization roadmap at 2024 summit. And again, obviously people don't really know that, but I think that is going to be a key factor, a key conversation player at the event itself. But speaking about the XRP's price, very interesting things happening. So first, of course, we did see the spike in none other than Bitcoin dominance going up to 57.8%. You guys can see since then we have seen the dominance go down. In return, Bitcoin is approaching $66,000 right now, which is absolutely amazing to see as we are closing out the weekend, going into Monday morning, starting off a brand new week. The market is looking absolutely amazing as far as Bitcoin is concerned, and the overall market is reacting in a really positive way. And just a quick reminder for everyone, look at the last 1 week. You're seeing a tremendous amount of green across the board. A lot of people tend to forget that, but you don't want to be forgetting this. But if you're looking at XRP, to the people that call XRP a stable coin, I'm sure you guys are speechless at the fact that you actually saw XRP hitting a high that we haven't seen pretty much since the month of April, believe it or not. Yes, you heard that correct. The last time, I want you guys to really understand this, last time the price of XRP hit 66.5 cents, it dates back to April of this year. Yep, you've heard that correct. And I've been, stating that, we're noticing a bullish shift in the price of XRP. Have continuously said that. And, we're really noticing that. But why is the price of XRP spiking up, when there is still a potential of an appeal from SEC coming? And that is a conversation that a lot of people are having right now. And the fact that XRP is breaking out like this speaks for itself, and would not even be surprised if the price of XRP re-enters the 78.6 for the first time since March. And this is the level which I have been highlighting on a continuous basis, telling you guys the importance of the 78.6, why it's such an important level, and that's only a 9% move from the current price levels. And I would not be surprised if Bitcoin pushes up to the 70K range, would not be even surprised if XRP ends up hitting a new yearly high. That would not come as a surprise to me. But remember, obviously the price of XRP could also be reacting to the Bitcoin momentum, and of course, dominance falling down a little bit. That could also be a factor. And, people getting excited about RLUSD minting that has been going on over the course of the last few days. Those are some factors, that we cannot be ignoring. But I still do believe there is still a chunk of, investors or, enthusiasts that believe in XRP that are still on the sideline, because that the SEC case is not all over just yet. So, like I said, October 7th, a very, very important date. If it doesn't go the way a lot of enthusiasts wanted to, I do expect, yes, that XRP's price will once again go lower. So obviously no one wants to hear that, but I'm going to remind everyone that. But, we need to look at the bigger picture as to see what's really happening. I'm liking this momentum as of now, believe it or not, and would not be surprised if we enter the 78.6. And that's where I think excitement really kicks in for XRP. But what I want to know from you guys is what you guys currently think about this. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.